Ladders are surprisingly complicated to make, and since they are pretty much the same in most games, it made sense for us to give you ladders out of the box in Narrative Pro. In this video, we'll show you how to use the ladder tool to create dynamic length ladders, climb them, and even get NPCs climbing up and down ladders, and even traversing climbing walls. It's going to be super easy, so let's get into it. Our ladders are quite intuitive. You could just walk up to the top or the bottom of the ladder, and your character will just automatically go into a climb. But you can also run and jump towards the ladder, and if you are sort of jumping in the general direction of the ladder, you will attach to the ladder and enter a climb. So to explain how the ladders work, I want to explain a little bit about warping. So if we were to jump up here, the way that climbing works in narrative is using this warping. So basically, you sort of run and jump and we warp you and attach you to something. And we can kind of view this a little bit better. If I do p.visualize_movement1, if you type that in, it will show you a whole bunch of useful information. So you can see our character's movement mode is climbing. Climbing is basically a little special movement mode that we've added. And when you are climbing, so when I hold up and then jump, I'm warping from place to place. And how these warps work is it's if you're familiar with GASP or Game Animation Sample Project from Epic, warping is kind of this technique where it plays an animation, in this case this jump, and it warps you to a position, in this case the next ledge. And so the ledges can be, you know, far away from each other, and we're sort of warping you and playing the animation at the same time, and it actually looks quite smooth. And this is exactly how the ladders work. They use this kind of climbing system that we already have in the plugin. You can see if I look at my character, movement mode is climbing. So you can see I'm in the climbing movement mode. And certain warps like this one that we do at the top put you into the walking mode, right? And certain warps take you from walking into climbing. So you can see I'm walking, and then when I walk up to the ladder, I'm now in the climbing movement mode. But the concept is really simple. It's basically just play an animation and move your capsule one rung up and down at a time. It's a relatively simple feature. And to be honest, you don't even really need to know too much about this warping system, really. The ladders are super easy to use. So basically there's this BP ladder. It's a very simple ladder blueprint. You can throw it in the level. And it even lets you turn up the number of rungs. So you can add more rungs. And I'll show you by looking at this existing ladder. It's got two little spheres. This is the get on bottom sphere, and this is the get on top sphere. So when you overlap these, when you trigger these and walk into them, it will put you onto the ladder. But as I mentioned previously, you can also just run and jump at the ladder, and that will also put you onto the ladder. The other two things are, there is this get off floor transform. You can actually see the ladder was putting me a little bit into the ground. That's because I need to move that to be on the ground. And there's one for the top as well. So you do need to tell it where the exact top is, because we need to know basically where to warp you when you get off the top and the bottom of the ladder. And once you have that, it's set up. So let's set one up from scratch. We'll drag in a new ladder here. We could just keep the default metallic material on. And I'm going to increase the number of rungs. I'm going to take the top sphere and I'm going to move it up to the top. And I could move the floor transform and the top floor transform. I'll move the top floor. Let's click on that and we'll just move it up. And that's basically your ladder. And you can tinker with this a little bit further if you're noticing that some of the positions aren't quite right. But you can see that's it. I mean, we literally have a ladder. It is that easy. Pretty awesome. And in this case, I probably should have positioned my ladder a little bit better, but there you go. So you could tinker with the ladder a little bit. Now, one thing that's really cool that I want to show you guys is NPCs can climb ladders. So let's go into the content browser and search for climb map. It's called developer level climb link. So this is a developer level, and it is intended to show you this really cool climbing nav link system. So if you jump into this level and you hit play, there's a developer item on the ground called the Wand of Control. You can pick that up, and what it lets you do is it lets you control NPCs. Just going to turn the visualize movement off for a second here. So what you can do is you can shoot Seth, and you can tell him to walk to certain places. So if I shoot the ground, it's going to make him run over here, right? Now watch what happens when I shoot up here somewhere. Isn't that cool? He knows to use the ladder to get up here. You can see he's going to climb up. And he made it. Pretty cool, right? And I don't think he knows how to get down. Let's try it. Oh my god, he actually does. I was not expecting that to work. Well, there you go. It lets you get down as well. So pretty cool. I actually never code. I did code him to get down. I never remembered to test that in testing, but I'm glad it works. I'm going to close the game and reopen it, and I'll come up to the ledge this time because I'm going to show you the ledge working. Because I think this is quite interesting. So if we go to the top of this ledge here, and I was to shoot Seth and ask him to come up here, he's going to climb up the ledge here. So NPCs can also navigate up ledges. You can see he knows exactly where to go. He knows exactly how to shimmy up the ledge. Isn't that cool, guys? How awesome is that? Now, you might think, oh my god, this is so complicated. How's Ruben coded this? What a genius, right? Well, actually, I'm not a genius. This is a very simple technique that we use, but it's actually very clever. It looks very sophisticated, but it's actually quite simple. I'm going to press P and select this wall climb nav link. So we're using a nav link, and you can set these up yourself to get your NPCs climbing up walls. So you just have to copy what we've done here, which is drag one into the level, set it up, and all you do is you just add a big list of moves. So basically how this works is move 1 is up, and then up, left, left, up, left, 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 up, left. And basically what the NPC will do when using this nav link is that the NPC will just carry out this list of moves until they get to the top. So it's up to you to add the moves in. So in this case, up, up, left, left, blah, 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 all the climbs you have to do to get to the top. And the NPC will use those climbs to get to the top. The ladder one is a little bit more simple. The ladder one, you don't have to add a bunch of moves because ladders only climb up or down. So the NPC is smart enough to know if it's at the top, just keep climbing down until you get to the bottom. And if you're at the bottom, keep climbing down until you get to the top. And I'd recommend open these up and have a look at the blueprint code for them because it is relatively simple. You can see the ladder climb link here. It is quite simple. Every 0.2 seconds, we will either just climb up or climb down. Once we get to the top, we will stop trying to do it because we've finished climbing the ladder. It's a very simple system, but it's quite effective, as you can see.